in my today's lecture on subject is structural analysis under the topic of indeterminacy tutorials. Today we will be solving few questions for static indeterminacy as well kinematic indeterminacy. Let us solve this. First determine kinematic and static indeterminacy. In last class I told you that static indeterminacy is the sum of external as well internal. So, we will calculate three things. In this case, kinematic, let us calculate first kinematic indeterminacy. So, kinematic indeterminacy number of, let us count number of joint. Let us count number of joint. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 joint. And degree of freedom per joint. Degree of freedom per joint. In this case will be how much? Will be 3. Restraint, number of restraints are will be 3 here, 3 for fixed, 2 for hinge, 1 for roller, 3 for fixed, means total 3, 2, 5, 6, 3, 9. Capital R is 9. There is no any internal hinge or force release member. We are also not considering axial deformation. Therefore, kinematic indeterminacy is equal to 3 times of 4 minus 9 minus no minus is equal to, so 12 minus 3 is 3. 3 kinematic indeterminacy in this case is 3. What are those? This one rotation is here and horizontal and rotation. These are 3 degree of kinematic indeterminacy. 3 degree of kinematic indeterminacy. Here, if axial deformation has been is going to neglect, then what will be the effect on kinematic indeterminacy? Member, how many member are here? 1, 2, 3. So, 3 degree of freedom is going to restrict. Then degree of kinematic indeterminacy will be 0, because 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. So, this is kinematic indeterminacy. In extensible 3, inextensible 0. Let us calculate static indeterminacy. First of all, external. Let us calculate total number of restraints. We have calculated it is capital R, we have calculated it is 9, small r, equilibrium equations, considering entire structure as a joint, it is 3. Sum of R dash, sum of here, sum of R dash, sum of R dash, sum of R double dash is equal to 0 here. In both cases, here and here, in both cases it is 0. Therefore, external indeterminacy is equal to 9 minus 3 minus 0, that is comes to be 6. And internal indeterminacy, since this is the case of beam, and I told you in my previous lecture that it is always 0. It is always 0. No need to calculate. Therefore, total d value of ds, total value of ds, E plus I, that is 6 plus 0, 6 plus 0 means total 6. Let us calculate kinematic indeterminacy and static indeterminacy in this case. Similar thing will be applicable here. The difference in this question is only of this internal hinge. Okay. This internal hinge, we know that this internal hinge will add kinematic indeterminacy and it will give the additional equilibrium equation. So, it is going to affect kinematic indeterminacy as well static indeterminacy. Kinematic indeterminacy, additional degree of freedom, static indeterminacy by adding more equilibrium equations. So, how many additional equilibrium equations is going to add this internal hinge will be R dash. Since two members are connecting over here, therefore, 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So, one additional available equilibrium equation, we will have equilibrium equation apart from this one, small r equal to 3 sigma m sigma f sigma m equal to 0. Apart from equilibrium, 3 equilibrium equation, we here we have one additional, means 4 equilibrium equation we have. Okay. So, kinematic indeterminacy, let us calculate kinematic indeterminacy. Number of joint in this case it is 1 2 3 4 5 joint. Degree of freedom per joint, we know in case of beam it is 3. Number of restraints 3, 2 here, 1 here, 3 plus 2 5 and this one is 6. Here R dash value only one place, hinge is provided, internal hinge is provided at only one place. So, no need to write sum of R dash. So, the value of kinematic indeterminacy is equal to 3 times of 5 minus 6, okay, plus 1. So, 15 minus 6 9 plus 1 10 total kinematic indeterminacy. Okay. What will be the inextensible kinematic indeterminacy? Number of member, subtract the number of member 1 here, 2 here, 3 here. So, 3 member will be subtracted. So, the kinematic indeterminacy in case of inextensibility, it will be 10 minus 3 means 7. Okay. Care must be given while calculating the kinematic indeterminacy in case of axial deformation. This one member, okay, this one member will be taken as a single member, right. Otherwise, it will be, if you will take 4 member, then it will be 10 minus 4 means 6, it will be wrong. And this is the kinematic indeterminacy. Okay. External, let us calculate static indeterminacy. First of all, external. So, external, we capital R, we calculate, we counted the capital R 6, restraint 6, R dash as R dash 1, okay, R dash 1. So, value of E comes to be, 6 minus 3 minus 1, it is 2, and I internal indeterminacy, no need to calculate, it is 0 in case of beam. Let us solve further 2 questions. AB beam is partially supported, upper beam is partially supported over a beam AB and another part is hinge supported. In this case, we need to find the kinematic indeterminacy. Let us calculate kinematic indeterminacy first. So, this joint number of joint, let us count number of joint first of all. How many joint? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 joints are here. 1, 2, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of member, 1 member and 2 member, okay. Degree of freedom per joint, we know that it will be 3, okay. Find capital R, total number of support reaction, this is roller support here. So, 1 here, 2 here, 1 here, 2 here, 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 more here, okay. 1 more here, 1 more restraint, this one value of this one 1 more. So, 1 is equal to how much? 3 to 5 and 1 6. R dash will be here, okay. R dash will be here 2. I have told you in my lecture class, in previous lecture. So, kinematic indeterminacy, with the help of expression we can calculate. Degree of freedom per joint 3, number of joint 4, minus restraints we calculated 6, okay, and additional degree of freedom, that is 2. How much is this? 12 minus 6, 6 to 8. Kinematic indeterminacy, in this case it is 8, okay. Static indeterminacy, ds is equal to E external. We know that value of internal indeterminacy in case of beam it is 0, no need to calculate. Value of E, it is capital R is 6 minus small r, equilibrium 3, small r, equilibrium equation, sigma fx 0, sigma phi 0, sigma m 0, and additional equilibrium equation we have 2 r dash minus 2. So, it is 1. So, this is the answer of ds. Static indeterminacy. In this case, let us calculate kinematic indeterminacy and static indeterminacy in this case. Let us count. Okay. Let me erase first. Let us count number of joint here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 joints are here. Let us count number of member. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 member. Degree of freedom per joint. How much? It will be 3 in case of 2D beam. Total number of support reactions, 3 here, 2 here and 1 here. So, 3 plus 2 plus 1, how much? It is 6. Okay. Small r, static equilibrium equation, it will be 3. Value of r dash here, how much? 1. Okay. कहाँ से आया? It is 2 minus 1, m dash minus 1, right? Here it is again r dash is equal to 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Why 2? Because two members are connecting at this joint. Okay. Now, we can calculate the kinematic independency and static independency. So, kinematic independency, degree of freedom 3, number of joints are 6 minus restraints 6, okay, and additional plus 1 plus 1, calculate it. 18 minus 6, 18 minus 6, 12, 13, 14, it is 14. Okay. Kinematic independency, if inextensibility is to be considered, means neglecting axial deformation, 14 minus number of members, it is 9, right. Static independency. Static independency, we know that static independency is external and it is capital R minus small r minus sum of r dash minus sum of r double dash. Okay. Beam has no any internal indeterminacy, that I have told you. E is equal to capital R. Capital R, value of capital R is 6, 6 minus 3 minus this one 1 plus minus 1. So, 3 minus 6 minus 3, 3 2 1. Static independency is 1. Static independency is 1, right. Let us calculate this. Let us calculate kinematic and static independency for these two cases. Trusses. Kinematic independency. Let us count number of joint. Let us count number of joint here. Number of joint. How much? 1, 2. Okay, let us calculate first of all static independency. Okay, static independency. So, calculate value of capital R. 2 here, 1 here, 2 here. So, 2 plus 1 plus 2 comes to be 5. Small r 3. Equilibrium equations. Okay, and additional degree of freedom no here. Okay, no, we are calculating static indeterminacy. So, value of E, okay, other sum of r dash is equal to sum of r double dash, in this case it is 0. So, 5 minus 3 is equal to 2, and what will be internal indeterminacy? Internal indeterminacy, in this case it will be 0 without any calculation. Without any calculation. Why? Why it is? Because given truss has triangulated geometry. That is why its value is 0. So, total static indeterminacy ds is equal to how much? 2 plus 0 means 2, right. This type of truss. Okay. Let us calculate static indeterminacy in this truss. Total number of R, means this total number of support reaction, 1 here, 2 here, 3. Equilibrium equations 3, sum of r dash, sum of r double dash is 0 here. So, E value of E is how much? 3 minus 3 equals to 0, means determinate truss. It is a determinate, it is externally determinate, it is externally determinate. What will be the value of I? Value of I in this case it will be 1 without any calculation, without any calculation. How I got this value? I got this value because this one member is the extra member to form the triangulated geometry, to form the triangulated geometry. Therefore, I will internal indeterminacy will be 1. So, total ds equals to, total ds is equal to 0 plus 1 means 1. That is why we will say that this truss is externally determinate, but internally indeterminate of order 1, internally determinate of order 1 and externally determinate, means support reaction can be calculated with the help of equilibrium equations, but all member forces will not be calculated. We need one more additional equations. Okay. So, this was about static indeterminacy. Let us calculate the kinematic indeterminacy for this case. For this case, okay. For kinematic indeterminacy, we need to count joint and member. Okay, we need to count the joint and member. So, how many joint? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7 here, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, anything else? Okay, 13. Number of member, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 21. Anything else? No. You have taken every member? Okay. So, kinematic indeterminacy can be calculated. Ki is equal to degree of freedom per joint in case of truss, in case of plain truss it is 2. So, 2 times of 13 minus restraints, total restraint 5 minus 5. Okay. So, 26 minus 5, 26 minus 5 means 21. Okay. We have 21. Okay. If axial deformation is neglected, then what will be the value of kinematic indeterminacy? It will be 21 minus 21 equal to 0. Okay. Means 0 degree of kinematic indeterminacy in case of axial deformation. In case of neglection of axial deformation, if we are going to neglect axial. Here kinematic indeterminacy, let us count joint. How many joint are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 9 joint are here. Number of member. Okay. Anything else? 9. Okay. Anything else? No. Okay. That joint. Okay. This will not, listen carefully, this will not be taken as a joint. Okay. Do not take this as a joint. So, total joint will be 9. Number of member 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay. Anything is missing? No. Okay. We have taken every member. J is equal to 9, M is equal to 16. Capital R is 3. So we can calculate kinematic indeterminacy. Ki is equal to 2 times of 9, right, 2 times of 9 minus restraint, how much, 3. Okay. There is no any other additional kinematic indeterminacy, no problem. 18 minus 3, how much, it is 50. This is that. This is the answer, kinematic indeterminacy, for kinematic indeterminacy. Okay. If we are neglecting axial deformation, then kinematic indeterminacy will be 15 minus 16 is equal to minus 1. Okay, minus 1. So it will get the minus sign. Why minus? Because this one was extra member, that's why we are getting the minus value. Okay. Now calculate, let us calculate both kinematic and in static indeterminacy in these two cases. Okay. First calculate static indeterminacy. Let us calculate static indeterminacy first. So value of capital R, total number of support reactions, means restraint, 3 here, 3 here, 2 here, 1 here. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 1 plus 2, how much is it? 6, 7 to 8. Okay. Equilibrium equation 3, and additional equilibrium equation, sum of R dash, additional equilibrium equation we have here, internal hinge here. So number of member connecting here is how much, 4. So R dash value will be 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Okay. In case of plane it is m dash minus 1. So it can be calculated. External indeterminacy can be calculated. External indeterminacy can be calculated by capital R, 8 minus 3 minus 3, how much it is, 2. Externally indeterminate with order 2. Okay. Internally indeterminacy, you can calculate 3m plus small r minus 3j. In case of internal indeterminacy, there is small r. Okay. Do not put capital R, small r. So number of member, let us count number of joint and number of member. So joint in this case is okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Joints are 8. Number of members are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 members. Okay. 8 members, right? Anything else? No. 8. So I, internal indeterminacy, 3m is 3 times of 8 plus 3 minus 3j. 3j means 3 times of 8. So it is 3. It is 3. So total ds comes to be how much? Total ds comes to be 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Okay. That question can also be calculated with the help of cut applied. Okay. You can also calculate by the cuts applied over here, as I told you in last class. Okay. So, number of cut required here will be how much? Will be how much? Will be 1, 2, 3, 4 cuts. Number of cuts are 4. So, total ds is equal to 3 times of 4 minus minus here 2 1 2 plus 1 2 plus 1 okay 2 plus 1 minus r dash will be here, r dash is 3. So, what is 12 minus 3 minus 3 value is 6, it is different. Okay. Let me check 3 times of 4 1 2 3 4 12 okay 2 here 1 here 3 and capital 3 that is 6 okay it is 6 okay we will continue in our next class. I think there is some calculation mistake, check it out because both answer will be same. Okay, both answer will be same in here. Okay, let me check capital R 3 minus 8 minus 3 minus 3 6 2 okay what I have 8 restraints 3 equilibrium equation minus 3 okay we will continue on next class.